Alright, hey, how's it going? My name's Eric. Welcome to the channel. If you find any of this information useful, go ahead and do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. But today I am going to show you an update to an all-in-one indicator. I'll show you where to find it, but I'm going to show you how to change the settings on it and show you a different trading strategy. I would call it maybe an investing strategy because it takes a little bit longer, and how to use that. And then a bonus also, I'll show you most importantly how to go to the screener in TradingView. And this is all using the free version of TradingView to find where these trades are, to find the setups using this different strategy. So let's get started. We've got our chart open here on TradingView, and if you've got this, you'll just go to indicator here, maybe here, and you'll just type in SMA. We'll type in 9, and here we go. It's right here. It's this one by M. Phillips, and I've talked about it on my videos here, and it pops up and it's got all this nice stuff. Go over it quickly. It's just so nice. It's got a buy and a sell signal. You'll do very well if you just use that. But you'll see as you go over time that it's not perfect, but nothing's perfect. We're looking for percentages here. As long as it's over 50, that's pretty good. But as you can see, they've got the buy and sell. They've got the super trend line. They've got this white line that is the 180 SMA. This blue line is a 50. The yellow is an EMA 20, and then there's this red line. If you can see it, there's so much stuff, which can kind of make this confusing. So I'll get to this. Different strategy you may want to, if you're not the gambling kind of person and you want maybe a little bit better percentage, you're going to go right up here and you can make changes to this. You'll go up to this little octagon with this I in it, I call it, but settings, and it comes up here. And we'll just get rid of some stuff. We'll get rid of the buy sell chart line. And we'll get rid of we'll keep the buy and sell lines, but we'll get rid of the blue line right there. And so this is where we want it. We click on this one. We'll just make maybe yellow just a little bit brighter so that we can see it. And then we'll go up to red and we'll make that just a little bit brighter so we can see it also. Just one will do. We can hit OK. So we got rid of the 50. I kind of like to keep the 180 because I like to only do stocks that are above the 180, so that they've been having a lot of good trades. What am I trying to? We got a stock that is an upward trend. We want an upward trend. We don't want to be fighting. We don't want to be fighting anything. If you've heard, the trend is your friend until the end. Then you want to get out. So how does this? You see, there's this buy out, but maybe you want to. The thing would be to do this crossing here, where the 20, where the 9 crosses the 50. You'll miss these buy actions, but you're going to follow something else. And this doesn't always win a lot, but it can win big. Like, let's go through. If you did this, you would have broke even. But if you would have went right here and waited, it doesn't matter. As long as the candle's above, you can hit that. We would have folded all the way up to here. 2%. So it does fairly decent. That's one strategy. There's And this is a little bit better win rate strategy. That's one. Here's two. So if you came over here and you just went with buy, and you just clicked here, buy, and then you get out, not where the sell is. You wait just a little bit longer to where the red crossed. You'd kind of make out a little bit better. You make out 4% instead of where it crossed here. You can play with it that way, and then you would just get it buy there again. Wait till it crosses to get just a little bit more action. Actually, this doesn't cross. You can see it kind of goes. You could have hanged with it. You could have hanged with the line, and it still hasn't crossed yet. It still hasn't crossed. I mean, it went down. You're at 6% now. You could say, you know, take your winnings and run and go home for a nice day. That's a 6%, almost 7% return. You know, you can play with them, but it's nice to use both of them. And then, as always, this is just one indicator, so you can also, another strategy to have something else to go along with it is just click on the MACD and have a subchart. Now you've got 2-3 times the verification. So right somewhere in here, the sweet spot, you got the buy, you're not sure, and then you got the verification with the MACD, and then sometimes you can maybe watch the MACD or watch the 9 crossing the 20. So how would you even find this up? Let's go to the TradingView screener. You get that right when you click on TradingView right here, and then we can just go to products and screeners and stocks. And this comes up. This is the screener. It's a really great screener. There's a lot of info here, but we're gonna type in here and just type in S&A, and we are going to go with the 9, and we'll add that. Then we're going to go back here and do a manual setup. And a value, we're going to go down to EMA. Pretty nice. And we're going to change, they got 50, we're going to change that to 20. And then where it says above or equal, we'll change that, and it crosses up. 9 crosses up. We'll just hit apply, and we get all these nice stocks. Click on Chewy, just because I know Chewy. Let's see what Chewy looks like. Let's see if this works. And yes, it does work. The 9, we're looking good. 9 just crossed the yellow. And so yeah, it does work. We got a nice, if you wanted to add another screener, you would put the price is above the 200, or the 180 is below the price, and that will, so you could go back to the screener here, click on this, and you would type in S&A, so you don't have to mess around with stocks that aren't doing very well. Go 200, add, go back, and you would just go down to below the price. Below the price. It shrinks it down tremendously to 60. So, you know, you got, these are stocks that have been doing well for 180 days. They've got a nice trend. You got another one here. And kind of, you can see it went down. We're starting to come back. This carry group. So, of course, as always, all this is just educational information. Go ahead and paper trade to figure all this stuff out before you put your real money in. And we'll just leave it at that. This video is going a little bit longer than I like, but I hope you got some more great information out of this video. And as always, if you find any of this useful, go ahead and do me a favor, hit the like and subscribe button. Otherwise, I will see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great day.